Welcome to Excel Powerhouse, where we simplify Excel for everyone. Today, we're tackling the SUMIF function, a powerful tool for summing data based on conditions. Manually adding values for a product like oranges is time-consuming. Instead, use SUMIF to automate it. Here's the formula: equals SUMIF range, criteria, sum_range. Range. Select the product name column. Criteria. Enter oranges or reference a cell with the name. Sum_range. Select the revenue column. Hit enter, and Excel instantly calculates the total revenue for oranges. So, why spend time adding manually when SUMIF can do it for you in seconds? Try it out, and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excel Powerhouse for more amazing Excel tips. See you in the next video.